I'll be showing you how I do my makeup with just one palette. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here, and I'm back with another video, and it's not hair but makeup. I'll be showing you how I do my makeup with just one palette. I mean, just one palette, from concealing to blush to contour to eyeshadow. Yes, we're gonna do that in just one palette. We're gonna make this work. So this palette is called the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Palette. It's a 4-in-1 face contouring palette, and we're gonna make this work. Okay, so together with my palette, I have my eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. It's the Hyper Sharp Power Black Maybelline eyeliner. Yes. And I have limited brush here because we're just doing a one palette thing. We don't have to have this extravagant makeup set here. So I'm just one palette, the Makeup Forever one. And this foundation brush. Foundation brush. And we got the eyeshadow brushes. And I got my spoolie for my eyebrows. And we got the blush brush. And then I don't know, I think it's for the eyeshadow, it's the crease. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start with concealing. This is the concealing part, the contouring part, and the highlighting part, and the blush. Yes, we're gonna do some highlight. So let's start with the, oh snap. Let's start with the concealing. I know it looks super used because this is like my go-to palette. I'm not really a makeup type of person, I'm more of a hair person, but yeah, let's just do this because I know some of y'all are like on the go and just like to do things in a hurry and just use one palette and not a lot of stuff on the table. Yeah, convenient, I guess. For me, it's convenient. Okay, so I don't know what to use first. I don't know if I should use this foundation brush or this brush. You know what? I'll just use foundation brush to cover up these things to be covered up. Okay, let's get a little piece of that. Yes, my face is already primed. Yes, let's put some of that. Sorry, I'm gonna be looking here because the mirror is here. Let's cover that one up. Yeah, we have to cover that stuff up. Just cover that stuff up. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, and if you like what you see, please do subscribe, click that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. Let's go. Under those bags, I like to do a triangle shape under my bags. Under my bags, no wonder, I feel you. Under my bags, I don't care what people think. This is how I do mine. I ain't no makeup guru. So I like to do a triangle under the baggers. I'm surprised no bellboy is taking my bags. Okay, so we got that in there. I guess that's good. See, it's looking good. Fresh. Okay, so we just, the thing about this concealer is that it's almost the same shade as my face, so it's not that hard to blend in. And I'm not using foundation, it's just concealing. No foundation on my face because, let me tell you this, I break out like bad. So, less product on my face, less worries. Just make sure to eat healthy, drink a lot of water and vitamins, you know. Body healthy. And if you're liking this sweater, it's the zombie sweater. I bought it in Forever 21. Not sponsored, but if you like the fit, if you like, I don't think they sell these anymore. These were like the limited editions one. So yeah. Okay, that's looking nice. Okay. Yeah. Oh. A little bit there. Okay. Yes. Doesn't that look nice? I'm gonna be linking this Makeup Forever palette in the description box because I am loving this. I actually got this, was a freebie from a show I performed in. It's the Makeup Forever makeup release. Yeah, it was the show that I performed in, and these were the giveaways. If you're wondering what performance, it's dance. This was when the pandemic was not around. Okay, so now that I got the concealing in, you know what, maybe I should conceal my eyes too. Yeah, up there. Let's do that. If you guys haven't checked out my other videos yet, for you curly girlies out there, check them out. I got 2 curly girly videos, so check them out. You know, not really professional in the makeup section, but still want to look good. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna use this again. Let's just wipe this off in a piece of tissue, and then we're doing the contouring. Contour. What I like to contour is not much. I don't really like to contour much because I just like to go up here, right on. This is the cheekbone, right? I do it like right under, just like halfway through across my face, just like that. And then the other side, back to the other side. Come on now. Yes, right on the cheekbone, just halfway across the face, and then down this line and down that line, and then the bottom here. Okay, yeah, that's looking nice. And then we blend it in with the same brush. I like to go in a downward motion. No baking in this part. No baking in this makeup tutorial. Okay. If you're wondering what time it is, it's 8:45 in the evening, and I'm doing some makeup stuff. Just felt like doing it, you know? And I want to share with you guys how I do my makeup with just one freaking palette. I like to do my eyes last. I just feel like doing my eyes last. Le blush brush. Let's do some blushing. Okay, we get this. It's like a, what color is this? Oh my gosh. It's like a peachy tone. Peachy rose tone. Yeah, that's the tone. Peachy tone. Peachy rosy tone. And then I like just to go dab, dab, dab. This is like for your everyday makeup. Like you want to look good, but you know, every day. It's not much of a blush, but it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Now, we go into the eye. Okay, so we get the... What you guys think? Maybe we'll get the brown, the contour shade. We get the contour shade, just dab it a bit on it. The contour shade. And then put it right on the crease of the eyelid. Okay, I'm just gonna, the outer crease of the eyelid. Just there's gonna be no falsies, no mascara in here, no. Just a simple face makeup. Okay guys, you're both exploring with me. You're all exploring with me because I'm exploring myself too. And then what we do, we put the peachy tone inside. I know it's not nice to use the same brush, but boom. Heck with it. It looks like a nice blend. Honestly, this is like an all-around palette. I think everyone should have an all-around palette, like their go-to palette. Like when in doubt, use the overall palette. Okay, I'm loving that. It's very natural. Wait, I gotta brush my brows. It's looking real all over the place. Let's do some wing eyeliner. What I like to do with the eyeliner is I like to outline the outer part of the eye first. Like so. And then I do the same on the other side. There. And then what I like to do, I like to go from the outer in. Okay. Same on the other side. And then what I like to do is I like to shade in the inner part. Okay, there, brush. Now, let's try filling in those brows, even if there's nothing much to fill in, because I have naturally thick brows, which I'm kind of thankful for, because I don't have to fill them in every day. All I have to do is just brush and go. But of course I had to clean around the edges, keep things neat and in place. Now, that fresh glow, let's put some highlight. Highlight on the bones, the cheekbones. Oh yeah. I'll be back with the lipstick. Okay, now I'm back with the lipsticks that I got. I'm gonna be mixing all three of them. Yes. So I'm gonna tell you my go-to lipstick is actually this Sunnies face lipstick. It's in the shade, oh gosh, Mood. It's a very nice nude color, brownish color. I love this color. And then I have the other one is the MAC VIVA GLAM ARIANA Grande matte. Yeah, that color. And then my next one is the Maybelline Matte Divine Wine. So it's kind of like a reddish color. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna put this dark one first. You know what? No. I'm gonna put my Sunnies first. Oh gosh. Okay. No need for lining. So we're gonna keep it natural here. No need for the super glam. Okay. And then you put the Maybelline Divine Wine. And then what I like to do is put this Viva Glam Ariana Grande MAC lipstick in the middle part of my mouth. Okay. This is actually a no foundation makeup. One palette makeup. One contouring palette makeup. So here's the finished product. I'm kind of liking this. One palette makeup. Okay. So here's the look, guys. I'll show you the look. The look. Do. Okay. That's it for tonight. My one palette makeup show. I hope you guys liked that. So, probs in my next video, I'm going to be showing you hairstyles. For short curly hair, I'm going to be showing you a few simple hairstyles for you on the go girlies, curly girlies, yes. So, yeah. If you're liking this, give it a nice thumbs up, or yeah. subscribe, click that bell, and then follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Girly, bye.